Okay, so me and my brother just bought this Trenton anvil. We have no idea how much it weighs. We're gonna find out how much it weighs. So that's what this video is gonna be on, is looking at this glorious anvil. So we don't have to use the Harbor Freight piece of trash he's removing right now. There will be a keychain video coming out either before or after this, and I was using this anvil, and it's the day after I made that video, and we got this new anvil, of course, the day after. I had a pain making those, but oh, this thing looks so nice. I can't wait to get to use it. The horn looks nice. The edges are a bit banged up, but the guys at our class told us that you only need one good edge, and there's a sharp one over there, and then there's some rounded ones over here. So we need to go on and weigh this. Got the anvil off the stump. Where's the trashy one? Where's the Harbor Freight one? And there's death itself over here, sitting alone. Probably gonna give that to our little brother. He's 10. He could use a little something to work with, but we definitely don't want that when you have a wonderful anvil sitting over there. So now let's get this thing on a scale and we'll see how much it weighs. Okay, we're gonna pick this anvil up and set it on there. Sit on there. Easy.
About one. This.
Here, I'll show you guys this. So it's not 100 pounds. Can you see that? So 135 is what it just said.
Yeah, same thing.
Yep, 134.4. So that's nice. 40 pounds more than 100, and that's all we'll ever need. It's Trenton, which is a really nice brand. So we're gonna test it,
I guess.
after we mount it.
Let's get another stump.
Let's get this thing mounted, and then we'll test it out on some stuff. I made him carry this stump all the way over here. He's wonderful for grunt labor. So we're gonna try to put on that stump. Ah, there it is. I'm so excited about this. It'll be so much better than a Harbor Freight anvil. Okay, we're gonna set this thing. That good?
Yeah, that's a little bit better.
Good for now. So we'll definitely get it mounted.
That's moving.
We'll definitely get it mounted better than this. I don't think it's coming off. So now, want to do some forging on it?
Let's wrap the chain around it.
Oh yes, we must put the chain around it.
Let's do this.
Push that on there, should look better. Now that we've got it wrapped up in its blanket.
Well.
This will be so much better than a Harbor Freight anvil. So now we're gonna test it, right? We're gonna test it. So let's test it out. Wanna make an S hook on the end? Test out the horn.
I might do a spade hook and you can do an S hook.
So let's make some hooks on this horn, because that was really the problem with that Harbor Freight anvil, was the horn. And this looks so much better. So let's make some hooks. Let's see how good of a rebound it has compared to this Harbor Freight anvil.
Get the Harbor Freight over here.
We can just set him here. No. Do the good one! Oh, so much higher. And surprisingly, it's hard, so you don't get a dent half an inch deep whenever you hit it, unlike this Harbor Freight anvil. I mean, that thing has so many dents in it. This thing has barely any dents, and there's no telling how old it is. Except for people testing their punches right here. For some reason, punches and chisels right here and right here. Don't know why they did that, but it's old, so I can't wait to get to use this and get rid of this piece of trash. Okay, so Levi, my brother, is going to be making a spade hook out of this piece of 3/8 inch square, and I'm going to be making a S hook out of this 3/8 inch round. Mine is about 6 inches long, his is about 7 inches long, so let's get right into it. Okay, so there are the 2 hooks that we made. They look pretty good. This finial right here was the only problem. It got a little bit bent over whenever I was working on it. But that was it. We really are so glad to have this new Trenton anvil. It's going to be such a good help. So I just really hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.